So here we have a 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. And this one's been upfitted with a flatbed. Comes in Summit White on jet black cloth interior. And the powertrain is going to consist of a 6.6 liter turbo diesel V8. Made it to that Allison 10-speed automatic transmission. There's our front end there. With this being in the work truck trim, you're gonna see that black vinyl throughout. Then here we have our 17-inch aluminum wheels. And here we have controls for power door locks, windows, and mirrors. And here we have 5 upfit switches here, along with an electronic parking brake. And there's our driver's seat. Of course, plenty of space in the back. So I'm 6'3" and I'm able to sit back here with all this space. And the seat in front of me is adjusted for someone of my size as well. And then we also have rear AC vents. So that's pretty sweet. And then if you need to hang your clothes, have hangers in the back. LED dome lights. So there's our flatbed there. There's the back end. If you look in here, they integrated the backup camera there, so you don't have to get rid of it when you upfit your truck. We have lock boxes here. On either side. And here's our passenger seat here. So I really like the vinyl. Feels really nice. Let's take a look at what's under the hood. And there's that 6.6 liter Duramax diesel. Gonna hop in the driver's seat. So here's our vinyl wrap steering wheel here. And over here we have our radio. So we have AM, FM, XM along with Bluetooth. And we also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with a Wi-Fi hotspot. And there's that backup camera there, which you can even put the, well, you can't put the guidelines on because it won't match up, but it'll make sure you don't hit anything. Then down here we have our climate controls, exhaust brake, traction control, trailer brake control, USB-C, USB port, 12 volt, and 3-prong household plug-in, which I believe is either 115 or 120 volts. And then here's our middle seat. You just pull up, and then to pull it down, you pull on this little strap right here. And then it turns into your center console. 2 cup holders, little space for a phone or something like that. And then there you have the cubby space. But let's take a listen to the sound system. It's actually pretty impressive in my opinion. So really good sound there. Here's our glove compartment, owner's manual, and our top cubby. But just a really good sound from the sound system. The bass is actually really good and it's pretty clear. It's not in your face, but it's a standard sound system, so still impressive. Cruise controls here, gauge cluster, and then get my hand out the way. My favorite part about this is the tire pressure sensor, so you can see the front 2, and then with this being a dual, you can see all 4 of the rear wheels tire pressure. Brake pad, air filter, fuel filter, all that. But we have a key here. There's the fob, and there's a key in the ignition. And next, we're gonna go ahead and take it out for a quick test drive. So really good acceleration there. And really good brake pedal feel for such a huge truck. So of course, this isn't gonna be as accurate in terms of if you're pulling something, hauling something, whatever, but really, really good handling for such a huge truck. I don't feel dangerous driving this around. And the mirrors really help. Of course, you don't want to have anything this big without tow mirrors, especially if you're going to be towing. I thought I could get a fuel economy meter here, but it's not set up. But of course, this doesn't ride smooth or anything like that, but pretty easy to control. And surprisingly, the ride isn't overly loud or anything like that either. So I have the exhaust brake on now, and it's actually pretty helpful. So I'm gonna give it a little throttle and just show how the exhaust brake does. But depending on your trailer, you shouldn't have issue, especially if you're experienced towing with the large vehicle. This shouldn't be any different in a bad way from what you're used to. Well, this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD with a flatbed.